Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to export your Premiere Pro timeline into Davinci Resolve. Yeah, we have the Red Bull spec card that we did, and it has already been edited in Premiere. So we are going to export it from Premiere Pro into Davinci Resolve. So we can see the layers. We have video layers, we have audio layers. So, and we'll be exporting all that into Davinci Resolve. So this is the whole entire timeline. We have a few cards, we have some audio layer. So the first thing you do, you go to File, Export. You go export as Final Cut XML, Final Cut XML Pro. So we're going to save it in our Red Bull add folder, and we just not rename it, we just leave it as it is. And it has already exported it, and please check the FCP translation results saved next to the XML file for possible issues encountered during translation. Okay, we're going to hit OK. Then after that, you're going to open the Davinci Resolve. So Davinci Resolve is opening. So Davinci Resolve has booted. We are going to open a new project and name it Red Bull Add Graded. Then create. So in Davinci, you're going to the file. You go to file, import, in timeline. So let me show you again. File, import timeline. Yes, timeline. Then you go to the folder, the Red Bull add, and choose the XML file that you exported and open. We're going to rename the timeline again. Yes, Red Bull add graded. Yes, and hit OK. So we won't change anything else. We're going to hit OK. We give it some time to load depending on your computer system, it takes some time. So when the project loads, so here we have our timeline in Davinci Resolve. Yeah, let's go to the edit page. Yeah, in the edit page you can see our video and our audio tracks the same way they were in Premiere. Yeah, so this is the video in Premiere, no, in Davinci Resolve as it was in Premiere. Yeah, so here in Davinci Resolve we're going to grade the video, and maybe we can export it from Davinci, or we can either export it in Davinci, or we can take it back into Premiere, but exporting in Davinci will be easier. So that is the workflow that you can use to export your video from Premiere to Davinci. And make sure you like, comment, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.